Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by connecting and confirming compatibility. Put both AirPods in your ears, open the case near your iPhone or paired device, and accept the prompt. Once connected, go to Settings Bluetooth and tap the info icon next to your AirPods. This is where touch options live. Make sure your firmware is up to date so gestures behave predictably. After setup, you're ready to assign touch gestures. This first step avoids misfires and ensures the controls respond consistently. Now you'll customize the actual touch actions. In the Bluetooth info screen, choose left or right AirPod and pick the gesture you want. Play /pause, skip forward, skip back, or Siri. For AirPods Pro and newer, press and hold can switch noise control. Set it to toggle transparency or noise cancellation so you control environment sound. Once assigned, try each gesture twice to confirm it triggers the chosen action. Adjusting sensitivity is unnecessary, but reassign if a gesture. Finish by practicing in real use. Tap or press while music plays to build muscle memory, and switch ears to test both settings. If a gesture stops working, make sure both AirPods are clean and seated properly. Dirt or moisture can block sensors. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button, repair, and reassign gestures. If that still fails, update your device's OS and firmware. These steps usually restore reliable touch control function quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.